is section 6.1, represent functions as rules and tables. Now we're going to start by talking about some terms. First of all, we're going to talk about functions. A function pairs input values and output values so that for any input value there is one and only one output value. The domain is the input values. Those are generally your x values, and those are independent variables. They're called independent variables because they're what determines what happens. They don't depend on anything else, unlike the range, which is the output values, which is generally your y values, and that is the dependent variable because the dependent variable depends on the input value. And then we have a function rule. Function rule tells what operations are performed on the input to get the output. So let's just kind of stop for a second because I just gave you a whole lot of stuff to think about and it probably may not make a lot of sense. So let's think of a function as a washing machine. Okay? Everybody has a washing machine and a dryer. So we have two different machines. Each machine performs a different function. You put your clothes in the washing machine and you get clean clothes. Problem is, the clean clothes are all wet, so you can't put them on. So you have to put them in the dryer to dry the clothes before you can wear them. So we have two machines that have two different functions. With the washing machine, the domain is your dirty laundry. You put it in the washing machine. Your range is your clean, wet clothes that come out. And the function rule tells what operation is performed. So in the washing machine, the operation is washing. And then you have to put your clothes in the dryer. The domain for the dryer is your wet, clean clothes. The range for the dryer is your dry, clean clothes. And the function rule for a dryer is to dry the clothes. Now, would you ever put your clothes in the dryer first and then the washer? No, because the operations depend on the order of operations. Okay, so even when you're doing laundry, you're doing order of operations.